Hi, I'm product promoter from iMobie. Have you ever struggled to create a product demo that really grabs your audience's attention? Whether you're showcasing software, teaching a tutorial, or promoting a service, showing the key details with ease is the key to a product demo. I'm going to introduce you to Focus C, which can help you create eye-catching demo videos effortlessly. You can free download Focus C from the link below in the description and learn along with me now. Step 1. Plan your demo video. Planning the recording focus before you start can save time. You need to identify the target audience and the main features to be demonstrated. Make sure you clearly explain the problems the product can solve for your audience and highlight the benefits. For example, with Focus C, you can effortlessly record the operation of the product, automatically generate zoom in, highlight the details of the product, and help you save the cost of time in making demo videos. Step 2. Record your product feature demo. Open Focus C. There are 3 recording modes to choose from. Let's take window as an example. You can show the key product features as planned. Open camera and voice can explain more clearly. During the recording process, Focus C adds a pause function so that users don't have to record everything at once. Step 3. Easily edit your demo video. After recording, use Focus C's built-in editing tools to make the screen recording even more eye-catching. You can see that Focus C has automatically generated focus zoom for the demo video. You can highlight important areas of your presentation with the auto zoom effect and 2x spotlight feature. Adjust camera layouts such as side-by-side, perfect for demo videos. You can also customize mouse styles, click effects, add backgrounds and visual elements, and adapt videos to social media formats for different social media promotional needs. Focus C also supports automatic subtitle generation to further improve your production efficiency. You can upload your customized watermark to increase brand awareness and prevent content from being plagiarized. Above is the process of making my demo video. I recommend Focus C for recording, more convenient and attractive. If this video is helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time.